Alright, so this is your guys' scene. You two are two explorers looking for the Fountain of Youth, and you got Jeff lost the map in the jungle.
Okay. Typical. I know. Sorry. Oh! Well, Ponce de Leon, how are you doing? I'm doing good, Fred. Read a book. Okay. I'm sorry I lost the map. I was holding the map just a moment ago, and a bee took it off. Oh, he's still around. Maybe we can find him. I know. I think it was a mosquito. Oh. Well, that's a whole different matter, then. We should pull out our machetes and start clawing through the jungle. I brought a gun. Why don't you cock it? I brought a very vocal chicken as well. But let me just take care of the chicken right off the bat. Oh, he's miming. Don't believe it. Usually they make more noise. All right, let's get through this jungle, though. I'm going to start chopping vines. I was just about to say. Fantastic. Sounds more like you're whipping them into submission, but it's a very quiet jungle. Okay, whatever works. I'm going to use a flamethrower. Screw this. Yes. Let me just light it. It took silence. All right, on the count of three, I'm going to torch the jungle in front of me. Don't know why you need me to count, but count it. All right, I'm going to count 1, 2, 3. Ready? Yes. 1, 2, 3. Well, you know what this... Oh my God, it's a tiger! It's red and close. What do we do? Get your gun! I got my gun! Hey, the chicken will die! Well, I'll throw the chicken at the tiger. Hopefully it'll eat it. Wait, I have an idea! Throw the tiger into the Fountain of Youth! We're not there yet! Sorry! That's just a fountain! But it killed him, so okay. My God, pygmies are coming! Listen to them! Are those real? They are! Listen, they're about to say something. Their little feet make such cute noises! That's fantastic. I've never heard of this. They speak in a series of clicks and beeps. Listen. I can barely hear you. Speak up. Oh, God, well, I guess that's all I had to say. They're also telepathic. That's all right. They said the Fountain of Youth is right through there. Yes, that's good, because you lost the map. I forgot about that. It's true. Okay, well, let's swing through this open gorge that I just made up. We burned with the flamethrower. Exactly, yeah. So I'm going to grab my vine, and I'm going to make a swishing noise as the air passes around. Okay. All right, you ready? When you're finished, I'm going to do a Tarzan call. Nice. All right, ready? Here I go. Whoa, it's a long march. All right, it'd work better if we had more stage. All right, cheers for my manly, low, high Tarzan call. It's like a Ricky Martin tune. I know. My God, it's the Fountain of Youth. Listen to the water trickle. Can't you do that somewhere else? Really, in the fountain. Well, I thought it would get younger. Okay, I'm going to dip myself in the fountain. All right, jump in. I'm sure it'll make a splash. It's hardly a puddle. It's a very small fountain, yeah. My feet are now the size of baby's feet. Well, at least now they match your dick.